Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what are the top 3 ways to perform copy-paste method in VBA. I will show you practical example of Range.copy method and Range.PasteSpecial method. Let me go to my Excel file to show you some examples. So suppose this is your data sheet and you want to copy some of your data in sheet 1 and sheet 2. Let me open Micro to write some macros. Let me open my Visual Basic and perform some task. I will start by inserting one module. First, I declare my macro. So I will write copy method. If I want to copy a whole range of row, then I will start by selecting A first. Arrange A2 to E2. Copy and destination. In case you want to paste that the value. So I want to paste at F3 or G2. If I run the macro, you see the whole row is copied at position G2. Similarly, if you want to copy a single cell, then we will also use each method, range.copy methods, and select one range. Here I will copy E3 and the macro again, and cell A3 is copied at but A2 is copied on G3 location. Similarly, if you want to copy a whole data in sheet 1 or another sheet, then we will first specify a sheet. Range A1 current reason copy destination is worksheet sheet. Want to copy paste at sheet 1 range A. If I see on sheet 1 nothing happens, let me run the macro again. Okay, so I want to specify data. A copy from data from macro and sheet 1 the whole data is copied. Similarly, we can also use PasteSpecial method to copy only values. You see that we have some kind of formatting and color coding here. So if you want to copy some data without any formatting, then we can see we can perform this task by using PasteSpecial method. So we can do the same thing worksheet or copy here, right? The destination PasteSpecial paste paste as value. Let me check if the spelling is correct. Let me run the macro again. If I check on sheet 3, the whole range is copied without any formatting. You see, on the data side, we have a selection appears. So in order to avoid this, we need to specify after the copy method completed application dot cut copy mode equal to false. And then macro again, and then selection. We can also perform copy method by simple assignment operator. So if I want to copy some range B5 value, paste at range G5 dot value, and run the macro again. And you see, simple cell is completed and is copied at G5 location. In this way, all the copy paste method works in VBA.